Hi students, this is Miss Lechuga, and today we are going to learn how to rewrite two-digit subtraction. Our I can statement is, I can write subtraction problems in two ways. So, what are the two different ways that we can write subtraction? We can write subtraction from side to side, like here. One number is beside the other. Or we can write subtraction, one number on top of the other. So let's go ahead and start. The most important thing that you need to know all the time, every time you're subtracting, is that you always need to subtract your ones from your ones and your tens from your tens. Okay, so here we have 48 minus 24. 48 has 4 tens and 8 ones. And 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. Do you notice how the ones are on top of the ones and the tens are on top of the tens? So all you have to do is line them up and subtract, just like that. Okay? Now that we are ready to subtract top to bottom, we can do our subtraction poem. More on top, no need to stop. So let's see, is there more on top? Yes! So since they're more on top, I do not have to regroup and I can go ahead and subtract. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, the next one. 49 minus 8. Okay, so this one can get tricky. Let me show you what some students might do. They might do 49 minus 8, like that. Is that correct? No, that is not correct. Do you know why that is not correct? It is not correct because the 8 is not a 10. And this is the tens home. So this really means 49 minus 8 tens. That is not right. We are subtracting 8 ones. So this is what we do. That is incorrect. The right way is to line up the ones with the ones or the greens with the greens. 49 minus 8. Okay? So now that we have done this, now we can subtract. More on top? Yes, there's more on top. No regrouping needed. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And 4, wait a minute, there's nothing there. Which means that if there's nothing on the tens, that means it's a 0. So 4 minus nothing is equal to 4. Let's do one more. 35 minus 9. 35 has 3 tens and 5 ones. Now, where does the 9 go? Does the 9 go here? No, the 9 is a ones. So it goes on the bottom of the 5. So 35 minus 9. Let's go ahead and use our subtraction poem. More on top? No need to stop. Wait a minute. There's more on the floor. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. You see, there's more on the floor. So let's go next door to the tens. So the 5's gonna go, hey tens, is it okay if I borrow one of your tens? And the 10 is really nice, so it's gonna say, yes, sure, take one of my tens. And this 3 is no longer a 3 because it gave it a whole 10. So now this 3 is a 2. And this 5 is now a 15 because 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So 15 minus 9 is, how much is 15 minus 9? Is 6. And 2 minus nothing is equal to 2. Okay, students, I hope you understand how to rewrite subtraction in two different ways. Bye!